to Perfect Laser. Yeah, our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Bella. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser and CNC equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser and CNC field. All of the machines have got CE, ISO, ROLL certificate, and certified by the International Inspection Institute, such as TV and STS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international professional level. As the result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas all over the world, including Germany, Japan, Russia, Korea, USA, Brazil, UAE, and many other countries. And we have enjoyed very good reputations and feedbacks from our customers all over the world. And we have a very talented team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree, so we can provide a 2 hours quick response and a 24 hours after sales service to our customers. And today, our goal is very simple: to sell the high-value products at a very good prices and to provide a professional and reliable customer service to you. Okay, my dear friend, today I'm going to introduce our wall printing machines. Okay, wall printing machines for all of you. Okay, so at first, welcome all of you. Yeah, I can see so many friends join us. Okay, welcome Ismail, welcome, and welcome Lawrence, and welcome the fans from US, and welcome the Autorito. Okay, welcome all of you to join us. Okay, and today, so if you are interested in what I'm introduced, and so if you are interested in the products, and also if you have any questions and any ideas, you can share with me anytime. Okay, so and at first you can see this is the company building. Yeah, company building of our company, and also with the company gate. Yeah, this is the company gate. So welcome all of you to visit our company, visit our factory anytime at your convenience. Okay. Yeah, this is the company gate. Okay. So my dear friend, today I'm going to introduce our wall printing machine. Yeah, as you can see here, we have many different kinds of wall printing machines. Yeah, so you can see the first two. Yeah, they are H series. Yeah, and from the out structure, you can see the main difference of the machines. Yeah. And also we have the UV printing machine with the UV inks, and also the S series model. Okay, so S10, S70, S80 model. Okay, so and today I'm going to mainly discuss for the PEH series and also PES series for all of you. Okay. Yeah, so if you are interested in those wall printing machines, please tell me anytime. Okay. Hello, Sharon. Okay, welcome. Yeah, so my dear friend, yeah, at first please click the follow button there. Yeah, you can find the follow button upside your mobile phone there. So please click it and subscribe our channel so that you can find us very easily next time, and you will not miss our live show next time for more machines introduction. And also in near future, we will show you the real machines with the real samples working there. Yeah, and also we will prepare many attractive promotion policy and also a very special and special gift for all of you. Okay, so please remember to subscribe our channel by clicking the follow button there. Yeah, thanks very much. And also please give us likes. Yeah, would you please give us likes at the right side button? Yeah, at the right side of your mobile phone you can find the like button there. So please keep clicking all the time. Yeah, so please click it. The more the better. Okay, thanks very much. Yeah, and so now let's begin our introduction about the wall printing machines. Yeah, and also if you contact us in today's live show for any of your questions and for any of your inquiry, or send us any of your information, so later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And while if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. And also in today's live show, I can provide you a longer warranty time for 24 months. Yeah. So after the live show, you can enjoy 12 months warranty time. Okay. So everybody, please hurry up to catch the chance. Yeah, to contact me right now for any of your questions. Okay. Yeah. Now at first, let's start with the PEH40 series, okay? Yeah, hello George, welcome. Yeah, so before the introduction about the models, I would like to share some samples with all of you, okay? Yeah, you can see for this kind of flower printing, yeah, flower painting. Yeah, very beautiful and very vivid printing result, right? So you can see the colors of each part is very clear and very vivid. Yeah, just like hand drawing. Yes, very beautiful, right? Do you like this kind of design? Okay, so I would like to share another sample for you. Yeah, this is a very beautiful scenery painting printing. Yeah. Well, you can see the blue sky and the lakes with the sunshine and trees. Wow, very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful scenery, right? Okay. Yeah, this is a very big one. Yes, a big printing. Okay, and also let me show you another one. Yeah, how about this one? You can see the flowers there. Very beautiful. Yeah, the color is very vivid. Yeah, it's very clear and obvious. Each part here. I like it very much. And also you can see the eyes of the deer. Wow, it's just like a real one, right? Yeah. Very, very great. Nice. Okay. Okay, so and some other. Wow, this one is also a very beautiful scenery there with the houses, yeah, blue sky, flowers, trees, and stone. Well, each part we can see it's very nice. And the roof. Okay. So the printing effect is really very good. Okay. Okay, so this just now those printings are on the wallpapers. Yeah, on the wallpapers. Hello, Savino. Hello, welcome all of you. Okay. Yeah, right now I would like to share another model, another sample for you. Well, this one. Well, this is a glass material. Yeah, you can see the printing colors there. Beautiful girl with an umbrella, and works in a very beautiful scenery there. Yes. So this is a glass material. Okay, this is glass material. Okay, so then I still have another two wood board. Yeah, wood board material I would like to share with you. Okay, so this one, yeah, you can see this is the wood board. Wow, you can see the roofs, bamboo, each trees. Yeah, do you like this kind of printing? Well, I think live in this kind of place is really a very good experience. Okay, let me show you another one. Yes, so big because the wood board is very big, so yeah, this is another one. Another scenery also with the blue sky and the cloud and also the roofs. Wow, beautiful flowers. All of those are just like hand drawing. Yeah, it's very, after printing, it's really very vivid and very beautiful. Okay. So which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which design do you like? Do you like this kind of? Do you like this kind of printing result? Hey, this is great Grotto. I want to get your catalog. Okay. No problem. We'll send you the catalog. Okay, so just now I'll show you some samples. Yeah, some samples of the wall printing machine. Yeah, all of those are done by the wall printing machines. Okay. So now you can have a look about this model, PH40 model. Yeah, for this model you can see from the structure, the outlook, we can find that it's integrated model. Yeah, everything is composed in one machine. So, and also for this machine you can see it works through the guide rail. Yeah, it can works on the guardrail and also it can works on the ground directly. Okay, so it has two modes. Yeah, and for this machine we have already installed the software. Yeah, into the machine, so it has a LCD touch screen there, so we can operate on the touch screen. Yeah, to adjust the adjust the parameters and also to get the information from the software display directly. Okay. Hello Mariam. Hello Ant. Welcome. Welcome to our live show. Okay. So today we are introduce our wall printing machines. Yeah. So and also this is the you can see the guide wheel for the vertical, okay, for the vertical movement. So the printing head moves through this vertical guide rail, okay. Yeah, now this is the main structure. We can have a look. printing head. So the printing head moves on this vertical guide rail, and with the ink tanks. So it include the 4 colors. Yeah, the yellow, cream, magenta, and the black. Okay, it's 4 colors. And also the wheels. Yeah, the wheels for this machine. Yeah, you can see it has 4 wheels. And another small one is beside the machine. That is auxiliary wheel. So for these 4 wheels, 2 of them are the driving wheels. So it only works when the machine is on printing. Okay, so this is driving wheels. And so if the machine start working, okay, we need to pull down the auxiliary, the small auxiliary wheel, and then help and together with another 2 wheels, then it can move. Yeah. Okay, and this is the steel wheel. Yeah, steel wheel. So this machine can move through the steel wheel, and also for this machine, it can also works on the moves on the ground directly. Okay, so with the steel wheel, it can keep much more make it more balanced. Yeah, keep a very good balance for the machines working. Okay, so this is the main structure of this machine. Okay, so everybody, now I would like to share a working video of this machine. Let's have a look. How does this machine work? Yeah, so this is the printing head, moves on the guide rail. Yeah, after printing. Yeah. So you can see this machine, it can work on the wheel, and also it can works on the ground directly. Welcome, hello, welcome. Welcome, Gabriel, hello. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, right now you can see this is the wall printing machine's working video, okay? Yeah, through the video you can see the machine works on the ground, yeah? And also we can the ground can be the paper wall and also the wood board. Yeah, this is the wood board. And moves on the ground directly. Hi, Vicky. Hi, Fernando. Hello, my dear friend. So through the working video, I think you can get very good understanding of how does this machine work, right? Yeah. So are you interested in this kind of machine? And also, do you have any questions? Hi, my dear friend. Hello. Welcome. Yeah, so this is the working video of this machine. Yeah, so for the wall printing machine, it's widely used for all kinds of decoration, yeah, including the outdoor decoration or the indoors decoration. So it can used for the home decoration, advertising industry, and the cultural and educational, government propaganda, and hotel decoration, and also the museum decoration. So all kinds of decorations in need. Yeah. And for the materials, it can print. You can print on all kinds of wall materials. Yeah, including the poly wool, latex printed wool, white wool, imitation porcelain walls, yeah, wall clothing, color coding glaze, shell powder, and color grade paint, etc. Yeah, many different kinds of walls are suitable for the wool printing machine. Yeah, and also for some non-absorbent material. Yeah, and such as the glass. Okay, so just now I show you the glass material, right? Yeah, so for the glass material, it's non-absorbent material. Okay, non-absorbent. So for the printing on the glass, at first we need to spray a layer of treatment fluid. Yeah, treatment fluid at first. Spray on the surface of the glass, and then the second step is to print by the wool printing machine, and this is the second step. And at the last, we will print or we will spray another paint, yeah, such as this white color paint on the surface of the printing. So at the last, this is the printing effect, yeah, printing result at the last. Okay. Yeah, so for another material, for the wood and the paper and some and then the other walls, yeah, we can print directly by the wool printing machine. So the treatment fluid only used for those non-absorbent material such as glass and ceramic tile. Okay, and the ceramic tile. Yeah, I also have the ceramic tiles printing samples, but it's too heavy. I cannot show it for you. Okay, so the wool printing machine is widely for many different kinds of materials and also many different industries. Hello, my dear friend. Hello, welcome. Okay, so now let's take a look about the details of this machine. And the first part you can see is the touch screen there. Yeah, touch screen. So we install the printing software into the machine, and then with the 12-inch touch LCD touch panel, we can operate on the machine directly. Yeah, to adjust the distance and for the X, Y axis, yeah, and also the printing head. Yeah, and also we can press the spray ink or pressure ink to wash the printing head. Yeah. So with the touch screen there, it's very easy. It's very easy and very convenient to operate directly. Okay. And also, based on the screen during the machine's working, we can see the designs which we are going to print through this software, and also we can see the ink and battery percentage, and also the printing remaining time, all those information we can get from this software display. Okay. And also for the battery, if the battery is less than an inks less than 10%, and the machine will alarm. So we need to fill in more inks. Okay. So this is the touch screen panel. And number 2, this is a button. Yeah, so for this machine, only one button. Yeah, one button to turn on the machine. So it's very easy to operate. Yeah. This is a switch button. Okay. And in fact, for this machine, it has 2 power supply. Yeah, 2 electric circuit supply. So for one is the main power. Yeah, we connect the power directly with the electric cable. And also another one is the built-in UPS battery. Yeah, Alberto. Hello everybody. Hello Fabio. Okay, welcome. So with the built-in UPS battery backup inside of the machine, it will keep charging directly during the machine's working. And also, so even we meet the power failure during the machine's working, and it will support the UPS battery. It will support the machine to continuous working for another 10 to 12 hours. Okay. Yeah, so this is the printing head. Yeah, printing head is a very important part for this for the machine. Yeah. So the printing machine. Hello, Eva. Hello, welcome. So with the printing machine, printing head, yeah, it can you can choose more nozzles. Yeah, printing nozzles there. Yeah, so with the more nozzles, the printing speed will much fast. Yeah. And this is the ink tanks. So each machine with 4 colors ink tanks just now have introduced. Yeah, you can see the green, yellow, magenta, and the black. Okay. 4 colors. Yeah, this is the photoelectric switch. Yeah, and also inside of the machine. Thank you very much for following, Chris. Well, a long name. Thanks very much for your following. Thanks very much. Okay. Yeah. So inside of the printing head, there are 2 sensors. So it can automatically sense the distance between the printing head and the wall. So even sometimes the wall is not that flat. Yeah. For some uneven wall, and the printing head will automatically adjust the distance between the printing head and the wall directly. Yeah. So that to protect the printing head very well. Yeah, so this is a very smart function. Yeah. Number 6 is the red light pointer. So for the red light pointer, we can see the printing area through this red light pointer. Okay. And also this why is the red light pointer is very important for the seamless splicing function. Yeah, for a very big sized image printing. Okay, so later I will introduce the seamless splicing and stitching function of this machine for you. Yeah, this is the synchronous and also an auxiliary wheel. the small wheels. Yeah, small wheel. This small wheel only when the machine is not working. Yeah, it stopped working. We also, if we want to move the machine, right? Move the machine to the other place, then we need to pull down this auxiliary wheel and pull down, and also lift the machine. Yeah, lift the machine, and with another 2 wheels. In total, there's 3 wheels for the movement of this machine. That is when the machine is not working. Yeah, and well, when the machine is unworking, yeah, it's unworking. We need to also we need to fix the auxiliary wheel, and also at this time, this another driving wheels will works. Yeah, will work. Okay, will work for the movement during the machine's unworking. Okay. Hello, Taylor. Hello, Jules. Hi, everybody. Welcome. So if you have any questions about the wall printing machine, you can also ask me. Okay. And this is the guide rail. Yeah, guide rail for this one is just like a H shaped, right? H, letter H. So the wheels can move through this guide rail to make a higher printing precision. Okay, and since this guide rail, it has a very good balance. Yeah, and also this each part, the guide rail, each part can be easily take off and easily to assemble. Yeah. So it can we can adjust the printing length by these guide rails. Okay. Yeah. So right now I'd like to introduce a very one of the biggest features and advantages of this machine. Yeah, that is the seamless splicing and stitching function. So for the printing machine, if we want to print an image that is not more than 2 meters, yeah, it's less than 2 meters, so it can print at one time from left to right, finish at once. Yeah. Well, if the machine, if we want to print a very big sized image that is more than 2 meters, yeah, more than 2 meters. So at this time, this machine, it will automatically divide this big image into several parts, yeah, into several areas, and then it will start printing from the first part, yeah, and then the next part at last, one by one, and at last completes the whole printing of this big sized image. Okay, so this is the seamless splicing and stitching function of this machine. Yeah, it's a very big advantage and features of this machine. Okay, so let's have a look about the main features of this machine. Yeah, so for this machine has 2 servo motors. Yeah, one is control the movement from the right to left, and another one is to control the movement from the up and down. Okay, and also inside of the printing head there are 2 sensors, and also that it can sense the distance between the wall and the printing head directly. Okay. Yeah, the printing head, and also the printing head is Japan imported industrial grade printing head. Okay. Number 3, the vertical wall printing machine with H-shape. Just now you see the H-shape reels. Yeah, so it can move on the rack when printing on the flat ground. Yeah. Number 4, the body of the wall printing machine is equipped with a built-in computer system, yeah, and also with a 12-inch LCD touch screen. It's very convenient and very easy to operate both indoor and outdoor. Number 5, yeah. The touch type flash printing test of the wall printing machine. Yeah, you can print a single color with large capacity and also keep the color normal and to avoid the cross color. Number 6, the wall printing machine with a UPS battery backup inside of the machine. Yeah, so it can support to continuous working for another 10 to 12 hours, even with the power failure. Yeah, and number 7 is that the vertical guardrail. Just now you see that. Yeah, for this guardrail, in fact, the total height will be 2.6 meters. Yeah, and also the printing height will be 2 meters. Yes, and also we can customize to 3 meters total. Yeah, if you want. And also the racks, we can make it a folded guardrail so that the total height will be much short. Okay, so now everybody, let's take a look about the PH30 and H40 model, the difference. Yeah. So for H30 model and H40 model, the main difference is the printing head. So for H30 model, we use one printing head, only one printing head, one piece of the printing head. And for H40, we choose two printing heads. Yeah. So both of these printing heads are Japan imported industrial grade printing head. Yes. So for PEH30 with one printing head, the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour. Yeah. And also with the PEH40 model, the printing speed will be 62 square meters per hour. Yeah, and also the mainboard configuration for H30, we use 60-core CPU, 2 GB DDR memory, and while for H40, it has 8-core CPU and 4 GB DDR memory. Okay. And for the other data are almost the same. You can see they use the same LCD control system. Yeah, so with LCD control system, we can operate on the LCD touch panel directly. Yeah, and also with a USB port on the machine. Yeah, we can transfer the file through the USB put into the machine, yeah, and to print what we want. Yeah, for the real size, the length will be 3 meters. Yeah, 3 meters. So that is 2 garden wheel. Yeah, 2 racks. Hello, rack sheet. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah. So the 2, and also the height. The height will be 2,500. Okay, millimeters. Yeah, and also this is the real size. For the ink consumption, it will cost 6 to 10 milliliters per square. Yeah, and also for this machine, another important data is the high resolution. So for this wall printing machine, the highest resolution of this machine can reach to 9,600 dpi, and in the non-linear market, the dpi is 2,440 dpi. Painting direction, this is a vertical type. Yeah, vertical. The weight of this rack is 18.8. Yeah, it's less than 20 kilograms. So it's very so it's not heavy. We can take it by hand anywhere. Yes, and also the machine has the automatic memory and the recovery function. Yeah, automatic white jump, and this is for example, this for image, for photos, the design we have different colors and also the white color. So for this machine, it has the automatic white color jump function. Skip. So during the working of this machine, it will skip the white part. It will skip the white part directly. So it will increase the printing speed, and also at the same time it will save the inks. And the machine body weight for H30 model, the total weight is 39 kilograms. 39 kilograms. So it's not heavy, right? Only one person can take it. And for H40 model, H40 has 2 printing heads model. This model and the weight will be 40 kilograms. Almost the same. It's 2 machines almost the same. Okay, so this is the comparison between PH30 and H40 model. And the technical data. So my dear friend, do you like this kind of machine? Are you interested in this kind of machine? Are you in need? Now let's take a look about the consumables. First one is the inks, and then the protective fluid, and another one is the treatment fluid. For the professional printing inks, you can see we have 4 colors: yellow, green, magenta, and black. Okay. So for this, for our special designed, special developed water-based inks, it has a very good quality. So even the temperature is 30 degrees below zero, it will not get freeze. Yeah, so it has a very good quality. Yeah, another one is the protective fluid. Protective fluid is used for protect the printing head. Yeah, so the printing if you don't use the machine for a long time, for a relatively long time, yeah, you need to clean the printing head, each part, yeah, printing head totally, and then you can fill in the protective fluid into the ink box, yeah, so that it can protect the printing head, the nozzle very well. Yeah, another one is the treatment fluid. This treatment fluid is used for those non-absorbent material. Yeah, just now I show you the glass, right? Such as the glass material. Okay, so for those glass non-absorbent material, we need to spray this treatment fluid. Yeah, just like this one. Yeah, this treatment fluid first on the surface of this glass. And then we need to wait for it to get dry, and then we can process the second step, and that is the printing by the printing machine. So at last we need to paint the white color. Okay, paint to white color. So at last this is the printing result. Okay. Yeah, for some optional items, yeah, first one is the foldable rack guardrail. So before folding, the total height of this guardrail will be 2.6, yeah, 2.6 meters. 2.6 meters. So after folding, we can choose fold it. Yeah, foldable. After folding, the total height will be 1.5 meters. Okay, so this is which is more convenient for the delivery and transportation. Okay. Yeah, another one is the multiple nozzle. So with more printing nozzle, the speed will be fast. So you can select one or two or more nozzles. Okay, now let's take a look about the machine maintenance. Yeah. So for this machine, in fact, only one part needs to be carefully maintained. That is the printing head. So printing head is a very primary maintenance part of this machine. Yeah, the quality of the nozzle determine the maximum value of this machine. Yeah. So we do not expose the nozzle to the air for a long time, and do not remove the ink absorber before printing. So on the printing head, we have an ink absorber there to cover on the printing head. So if we don't use the machine, if we don't use the printing machine, we do not take off the ink absorber. Yeah. And also when we finish the printing working, we need to cover the ink absorber in time. Hello, Edwin. Hello, my dear friend. Yeah. part is only to keep the machine clean regularly. Okay. Yeah, and also please choose the inks only from us. Yeah, so since different inks may cause the damage to the printing head. Okay. And also for the nozzle, please don't wipe it. You can use some towel, good quality towel, yeah, or paper to absorb the inks, yeah, to absorb the inks of the printing head. Yeah, for the guide rail, what we need to do is only to clean it regularly, yeah, and also lubricate the guide rail to reduce the resistance to the ink cut. Hello, hi, my dear friend, welcome. Yeah, and also if we don't use the printing machine for a long time, we need to clean the printing head totally. Yeah, and also can fill in some protective fluid into the ink tanks so that it can protect the machine for a long time. So, okay, my dear friend, this is the first one model introduction. Yeah, after the introduction, are you interested in this kind of machine? Yeah, or do you have any questions you want to ask me? So, yeah, if you contact us in today's live show later, you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And also, while you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. And what's more, in today's live show, I can provide you a longer warranty time that will be 24 months warranty time for you. Okay. So this is a really very good chance. So if you are interested in this kind of machine or you have any questions, please remember to ask me. Okay. Yeah, so right now this is the first two models just now have introduced. Yeah, PH30 model and PH40, and another this is UV inks. Yeah, UV inks. So for the UV inks model, it used the UV inks. Yeah, only inks different. And also later I would like to introduce the PS series model. So for S series model and H series model, you can see the structure, right? Outlook, you can find the structure is different. Okay, now this is the S series model. S series model, S70 and S80. So from the outlook, yeah, from the structure, you can see that this machine, it has the rack, especially the rack, is a triangle design the rack. So it's much more stable, yeah, much more stable and steady and strong. Yeah, and also you can see this is the guide rail, and also vertical guide rail. Okay. Now let's have a look about the main structure. The ink tags on the cell ink tags. And well, for this one is S series model, we use another pad. Yeah, another pad. So we also install the software into the pad, and then we can operate on this pad directly. Well, for each series model, we operate on the LCD touch screen, right? So this is the main. This is the different. Printing head the same. Yeah, and also the roller, you can see the roller, yeah, helps the printing head moves on the guide rail. Okay, now please enjoy the working video of this machine. Yeah, so you can see this is the foldable, foldable rack just now. Foldable rack. We can see through, the work or software. Yeah, this is the software. We can see this is the photo. What the printing machine is printing is going to printing. It's going to print. Yeah, and also we can see the remaining time. Remaining time of the remaining time to finish this printing on this panel. And also this is the this is the battery, battery percentage we can see, and also this is the ink percentage. So all of those information we can see through this software clearly. Hello Sasha, hello, welcome. Yeah, I can see this is the, we can see this is the original picture. We have a comparison. So in fact, the printing effect is exactly the same. Yeah, printing on ceramic tile. This is the foldable rack. Play once again for you. Yeah, so after folding, it will be much easier for, much convenient for the transportation and for the delivery. Yeah, you can carry it easily. Since the total height after folding is only 1.5 meters. Okay, so this is the working video of the S series. Yeah, for the wall printing machines, as the same, it can work on all kinds of wall materials, such as the putty wall, latex painted wall, white wall, limitation porcelain wall, rice paper, and wall clothing, or color coating glaze, shell powder, color green paint, etc. Hi, Nick. Welcome. Okay, and also for the wood, just now I showed you the wood, and then non-absorbent materials such as glass and ceramic tile. Okay. So the wall printing machine is widely used for all kinds of decorations. Indoor decoration and also the outdoor decoration, such as home decoration, advertising industry, so cultural and educational, government propaganda, hotel decoration, experience, museum decoration. So suitable for any decorations, both indoor and outdoor. Okay, so for right now, the Perfilizer industrial wall printing machine has been technically upgraded. And the connection between the frame, the rack is also upgraded. Yeah, this is not through the video you see that the machines works the small roller there. So before to instead the former belt transmission. So it has higher precision, printing precision. And number 3, the track use interlock connection. So each part, each reel, each rack, we can easily lock, easily assemble, and also we can take off it very easily. Okay. Yeah. So and number 4, the vertical frame can be raised to 3 meters height. Okay. Yeah, this is the detail information of this machine. First, wise you can see the pad control. This is control panel. We install the software into this machine, and also we can operate on this panel directly, on this pad directly. And this machines also have one key turn on. We have one key to press it, press the button, and then the machine will start working. So it's very easy to operate. And also this machine, you can see that it has some USB interface, so we can transfer the files, transfer what we want for printing into this machine, and then it will start work, and then it can print based on what we want. And this is the printing head. The nozzles. We use the Japan well-known brand Nozzles. Okay. Hello Edwin, hello Sasha, hello everybody, welcome. And also the number of the nozzle can be customized according to customers' needs. The more nozzles you have, the faster printing speed will be. So for right now, the PS70 model, we have a one-piece printing nozzle, and also for PS80 model, we have 2 pieces of the printing nozzles. Number 3, the ink tanks. This is the ink tanks. It's the same 4 colors with the PH series. Green, yellow, magenta, and black. It's 4 standard colors. So, and also after the printing with these 4 colors, it has a very vivid printing color. So you can create a very beautiful image. Just this one or anyone or anything you want. This is the ink absorber. So this is normally covered on the printing head. And also this one used for when we clean the printing heads. This one will works. Inside of also it's the same function with the H series model. So with the sensors inside of the printing head, it will automatically sense the distance between the printing head and the wall. And so even with the printing head, even the printing the wall, even the wall is not That flat, yes, for some uneven wall, the printing head can automatically adjust the distance and to protect the printing head very well. Okay. And this small roller wheel, yeah, small roller wheel. So this is used and instead of the former belt transmission. Okay. So this roller, yeah, it can move on the rack freely. And also the red light pointer, yeah, red light pointer is for so with the red light pointer we can see the printing area, yeah, printing area exactly, and also it works very well. It will helps the machine to find the marking the printing location, yeah, and also it will very helpful for the seamless splicing and stitching function during the machine's working. For some other optional items, yeah, the same foldable rack, the same with the PH series. Yeah. So this is the before folding. Yeah, you can see the total height will be 2.6 meters before folding, and after folding the total height will be 1.5 meters. So it's much more easier and much more convenient for the delivery and the transportation. And also the nozzles, yeah, you can choose different numbers of nozzles as you need. Yeah, so as series model, it also has the seamless splicing and the stitching function. So for printing for image less than 2 meters, it can finish once from right to left. Yeah, at once it can finish the whole image. While for those big sized image that is it exceeds 2 meters, yeah, it's more than 2 meters. And at this time, the machine will supply the image into several areas and several parts, and then it will start working from the first part. And then after finish the first part, it has finish the mark. Yeah, finish the marks there, and then we can move to the next part. So the machine it can go on printing. Yeah, go on printing. So at last, it will complete the whole big-sized image printing. Now let's take a look about the features of this machine. Yeah, so this machine, we use the pad, yeah, a pad, a touchscreen pad, and also with a USB port there, so we can transfer files from the USB port. Okay. And also just now mentioned the seamless splicing and the stitching function of this machine. And number 3, the body is made by the special aluminum magnesium alloy. So it has a very so it's very strong and very lightweight. And also you can see the triangle design of the rack, so it's very stable, yeah, stable structure. Number 4, the brushless servo motor, yeah, with the servo motors, and 2 servo motors. One is to control the machine from movement from left to right, and another servo motor to control the movement from upward to downward. Hello everybody, yeah, welcome. Yeah, another one is the UPS battery backup inside of the machine, so it can support continuous working for another 10 to 12 hours after the power failure. Yeah. Okay. Now let's take a look about the PES70 and the PES80 model. Yeah, the datas. In fact, these two machines they're almost exact the same except the printing head. So for S70 model, it has one printing head, and also for the S80 model, it has two printing heads. Okay. So for one printing head, the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour. While for two printing heads, the printing speed will be doubled, so that will be 64 square meters per hour. Okay, and also for the main board, there is a little difference. For S70 model, it has 6-core CPU and 2 GB DDR memory. While for S80 model, it has 8-core CPU and 4 GB DDR memory. So for S8 model, it has a bigger memory compared with the S70 model. Okay. Yeah, for the UPS battery life, for one printing head, the battery life will be 10 hours, and for S80, the battery life will be 12 hours. Okay, and a real size. So for S70, it has only two racks, while for S80 it has 3 racks. Okay, 3 racks. So the total length of this width of the rack will be 4.5 meters. Okay. Hello, Louis Franco. How welcome. Yeah, sensor, double sensor. So with the sensors, so it can the printing head can sense the distance between the wall and the printing head directly. Okay. Yeah, for the high resolution of this machine, it has the resolution can reach to 9,600 dpi, while normally in the market the resolution normally will be 2,440 dpi. Okay. Yeah, for the total body weight of the S70 and S80, they are almost the same. Yeah, and also for the rack weight, the rack for 2 racks, the total weight will be 26 kilograms. And well, for S80 model, it has 3 racks, so the total weight will be 38 kilograms. So for one rack, it's only about 10 kilograms for one rack. Yeah, so it's very easy to take it. Yeah, and all of our machines, yeah, when we ship out the machines, we will offer you this full range of the VCD tuning. Yeah. And also the instructions together with the machine, and to make sure our customers receive it and they can learn how to use the machine, yeah, how to operate the machine very easily. Okay. For the consumables or the wall printing machine are the same. Yeah. The first is the inks. Yeah. Another one is protective fluid and treatment fluid. For the inks, the 4 colors, standard 4 colors, yeah, you can see. And for these colors, it has a very good quality. So even the temperature is 30 degrees, 30 degrees, below zero. Yeah, that is very cold, right? And it will not get freeze. And the protective fluid is used for protect the nozzle. Yeah, protect the nozzle from being blocked. Yeah. So if you don't use the machine for a long time, you need to clean the printing head, yeah, the printing nozzle very totally, and then you can fill in some protective fluid so that the printing head, the machine can be well protected for a long time. Yeah, treatment fluid. Yeah, treatment fluid just now I show you, right? For those non-absorbent materials such as glass, yeah. For those this glass printing, yeah, this is glass, and then this non-absorbent material. So at first we need to spray this treatment fluid. Yeah, this kind of treatment fluid first. Spray a layer on the surface of the glass. Yeah, and then we can then we wait for it to get dried. Yeah, after it get fully dried, and then we will print by the printing machine. So this is the second step. After the printing by the printing machine, we need to spray the white color paint. Yeah, white color paint. So at last, this is the printing effect, printing result. Okay. So the treatment fluid is used for those non-absorbent material. Okay, so my dear friend, till now I have finished the second second machine introduction. So my dear friend, if you are still watching, please remember to follow us, yeah, by clicking the follow button there to subscribe our channel. Okay, please subscribe our channel by clicking the follow button there so that you can find us very easily next time for more live shows about and more machines. Okay. And also, if you are interested in the wall printing machines, please let me know right now. Yeah, and so later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. While later when you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. And what's more, yeah, in today's live show, I can also provide you a longer warranty time. So I can provide you 24 months warranty time. That is absolutely 2 years. Yeah, 2 years warranty time for the wall printing machine. That is really very good quality, very good opportunity. Okay. Yeah, okay, and for the maintenance for the machine, it is now in fact I have already introduced for you. Yeah, only one part, that is the printing head need to be carefully maintained. So the printing head is a very primary part. Yeah, it's since it can determine the maximum value of the whole machine. Yes, so we need to clean it. If we don't use it for a long time, we need to clean it totally. Yeah, and also we can fill in some protective fluid. And also, yeah, on the printing head, in fact, it has an ink absorber there. So if we don't use the machine, we don't take off it. And also, if we finish the printing, we need to cover the ink absorber in time. For the other parts, we only need to keep clean. It's okay. Yeah, keep clean is okay. And also for the linear guide wheel, yeah, we need to lubricate, yeah, regularly. And for the nozzle, please don't wipe it. Yeah, we can use some good quality paper or the towel to absorb the inks there, the remaining inks there. Okay. So right now this is the S series, S70 and S80 models. Okay, S70 and S80 models, and H30 and H40 model. And at last, I would like to introduce another model that is S10 model. This model is a very great model since, okay, this is S10. So when it stand up, it's almost the same. It's exactly the same with S70 and S80 model. Yeah. Well, for this machine, it also can lie on the ground. Yeah, lie on the ground. Just this part. Yeah, this part you can see. Right now, this mode, it's lie on the ground. So right now, this time, this way, it can support the ground printing. Okay. So for this machine, if it stands on this triangle rack, it's a wall printing mode. While when it lie on the small rack, it's a ground printing mode. Okay. So now I would like to share the let me show you the working video of the ground mode. Okay. Yeah, you can see this is the works on the ground. Yeah, I have this one right. Just now show you this sample. You can see this is the ground mode. Yeah. So when it stand up on the triangle design, triangle rack, it's a wall printing mode. Well, now it's a line on the ground. It's a ground printing mode. So this machine, it has two functions. Yeah, it has two functions. It's really very functional, right? Well, you can see the printing eyes. I like this eyes very much. I think it's really like a real one. Yeah, I have this sample in my hand. I have the printing sample. Yeah, this one. Very beautiful flowers. Yeah, beautiful trees. And I like the print, the eyes. Yeah, it's eyes. Well, you can see the eyes, and then the nose, mouth, each part, very clear, right? Just like a real one. Yeah, very beautiful. So, do you want to do you like this kind of design? Do you like this kind of design? Hello, Robert. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah, right now you can see this is the wall printing machine. And for this machine, it has two functions. One is for the wall printing, another one is for the ground printing. Right now you can see it's lie on ground, and then it works on the ground for the ground printing. Well, and also when it stand up on the rack, on the triangle rack, it can be used for the wall printing. So this is really a functional printing machine, right? Very vivid, very vivid, very good printing quality. Okay, so that's it. This is the working video. Okay, now let's take a look about the main structure of this machine. Yeah, in fact, when it stand up, it's just like this one stand up on the rack, and this triangle rack, it's exact the same with P-S70 and S80 model, right? Exact the same, okay. And then you can see this is the ground printing sample, ground printing. This one is the wall printing samples. Okay, for this machine, it can print both on the wall and on the ground, and also it's very easy to operate. It has a very bright color, just now I show you, right? You can see in each part, the very small part, the flowers, the leaves of the trees, and also the eyes, nose, mouth of the deer. Each part is really very clear, has a very bright color. In fact, this is a relatively new product, since it has two functions, okay. So for this machine, let's have a look about the main features. Since in fact it's almost the same with the S70 and S80 model, right? Number one, you can see it has the sensors inside of the printing head. So it has a surface tracking function. Then it can automatically adjust the distance between the printing head and the wall. Okay. Number two, it has a very fast printing speed. For one printing head, the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour. And also for two printing heads, the printing speed will be 62 square meters per hour. And also the same pad, same pad. The pad is 11.6 inch touch panel. That is the same with PS80 and S70 model. Okay. And also the printing head is automatically cleaned with one button there. So we only need to press the pressure ink. Pressure ink. So it can so the ink absorber will spray the inks to the box. And the resolution, the highest resolution of this model of this machine can reach to 9,600 dpi. Yeah. While in the market, normally the resolution is 2,440. Okay, so it's really have a very high resolution. Okay. Hi, boys. Welcome. And also this machine also with the built-in UPS battery backup, so it can support the continuous working even with the power failure for another 10 to 12 hours. Yeah, this is the one of the biggest biggest advantages and features of this machine. That is the seamless splicing and stitching function. Yeah, and if you have an image, if you have a photo that is less than 2 meters, and then this time the printing machine can print from the right to left at once. Yeah, one time to complete the whole image. While if you have a very big sized image, a very big sized photo that is more than 2 meters, yeah, the total length exceeds 2 meters, and at this time the machine it can automatically divide and split the image into several areas and several parts, and then it can start printing from the one part, yeah, from the area 1, and then it will continue for printing for the next parts. Yeah. So this is the seamless splice and the stitching function of this machine. It's very useful for big areas printing. Okay, big sized image printing. Yeah, for the optional items, the first one is the foldable rack. Yeah, you can see this part. This is the height, printing height. So before folding, you can see the total height will be 2.6 meters, and then after folding, the total height will be 1.5 meters. So that it will be much easier for and much convenient for the transportation and the delivery. Okay, and another one is the multiple nozzles. Yeah, nozzles. You can choose 1 printing nozzle, 2 printing nozzles, and 3, 4 printing nozzles. If you have more nozzles, the printing speed will be much fast. Yeah, this is the consumables. Okay, so for the consumables, normally the inks, the protective fluid, and the treatment fluid. For the inks, you can see we have 4 standard colors inks. Yeah, and this inks has a very good quality. So even when the temperature is 30 degrees below zero, yeah, 30 degrees below zero, it will not get freeze. Well, very good quality, right? And also for the protective fluid, and this is used for protecting the printing head, yeah, filling to the ink box, and it can protect the printing head from being blocked. Okay, and the treatment fluid, this one just I show you, right? I show you for the glass, even for the especially for the glass and the ceramic tiles, those non-absorbent materials. At first, we need to spray this treatment fluid on the surface of the glass, and then we wait for it to get dry, and then we can process for the second step, that is printing by the printing machine. And then we will spray, we will paint the white color, paint with the white color. Okay, so at the last, it will has a very good printing effect. Now everybody, let's have a comparison between the S series and H series. Okay, so the first one from the structure, you can see the track is different. For the S series, it has a triangle tracks there, so it's much more stable, strong, and steady, and it's much better for the outdoor printing. Okay. Well, for the H-shaped track, is it's more suitable for the flat ground. Yeah, flat ground. Okay, now S series, the real size, you can see the vertical length will be 2.5 meters, and the horizontal length will be 4.5 meters. So that is 3 guide rails. Okay, and then for the H series model, the height is the same, 2.5 meters, and well, for the horizontal length will be 3 meters, so that is 2 guide rails. Another one is the control method. You can see the S series model, we have a removable pad, 11.6 inch pad, and also the H series model, it has integrated LCD touch panel, 12-inch touch screen there, so we operate on the LCD directly. The moving method, moving width. The S series, only moves on the tracks. Moves on the tracks. Well, for the H series model, it can moves by the wheels, because you can see it has wheels there, and also it can move on the tracks. If it moves on the tracks, it can keep a better balance. Another one is the requirement for the floor. So for S series model, it has a lower requirement for the flatness of the ground. It's very suitable for the outdoors working. Well, for the H series model, it has a higher requirement for the flatness of the ground. So this is the main difference between S series and H series. Okay, so my dear friend, till now I've already finished 3 models. In fact, 2 series model. For all of you, okay, so after my introduction, are you interested in this kind of machine? And also, do you have any questions you want to ask about the wall printing machines? If you ask me, and if you contact us in today's live show, later I can provide you a good benefit, good discount. So if you contact us in today's live show, later you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. Well, if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. And what's more, if you in today's live show, I'm also provide you a 24 months warranty. 24 months warranty period. And also, my dear friend, please remember to click the follow button there. It's upside your mobile phone. Please click it and follow us so you can find us very easily next time. Okay, so my dear friend, today I've introduced our H series model, H30, H40. So you can see this machine. It has the PC system and also with a touch screen on the machine directly. So we can operate on this machine directly. And also another UV inks model. I didn't introduce them in detail, but it's almost the same with a PEH series. Only the inks different. Yeah, only inks difference. Well, another one is the S series model. Yeah, you can see S10, S70, S80. Okay, so S70 for one printing head, S80 for two printing heads, and also S70 and S80 for the wall printing machine. Well, for the S10 model, it can not only for print on wall and also print on the ground, on the floor. Yeah, this is a very good, very functional machine. Yes, and all of our machines, yeah, it has a very strict quality control. Yeah, all of the machines will have a 48 hours aging running test and a 72 hours aging test. Okay, to make sure our customers receive it with a very good quality, very good conditions, and very good status. After sale service, normally our warranty time is 12 months. Yeah, and today, remember today in today's live show, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. Okay, so hi, wow, right, Richard. Hello, my dear friend. Yeah, during the warranty period for our wall printing machines, if you have any questions, all of your about the installation and adjusting and the maintenance and operation, installation, any questions, you can contact us directly. And also during the warranty period, we will offer you the update the printing software and also the printing software backup for you. Okay. So my dear friend, are you still wondering why choose Perfect Laser? I would like to introduce our Perfect Laser to all of you. You know, Perfect Laser till now we have more than 20 years history since 1995. Yeah, so we have a very long history till now. Okay, and also we have we are a very experienced manufacturer. Okay, and all of the machines have got CE, ISO Roll certificate. Yeah, and also some other certificates. Here right now I'd like to share some of our certificates with all of you. And first you can see this is our roll certificate. Yeah, roll certificate. Okay. And also the CE certificate. This one. Okay. Yeah, this is the CE certificate. No, that's right. This way. Okay, so it means that our machines comply with the European standard. It's very safe to buy from us. And also, this is a golden supplier certificate. Yeah, you can see golden supplier certificate. This is verified by the SGS company. As we all know, SGS is a very well-known international inspection institute. So through SGS, so our products through SGS verified, you really have no worry to buy from us, right? Okay, and for all of our machines during the shipment, together with the shipment, we will offer you the VCD training and the instructions in detail, so that you can learn how to use it, how to operate the machine easily based on the VCD training there. Yeah. And in fact, this machine is very easy to operate, right? Only one button to press on. Yeah, so even you don't have this kind of operation experience, you can learn how to use it in a very short time. I'm sure for that. Okay, and then for each year we have thousands of machines exported to more than 180 countries all over the world. Yeah, and we can offer you a very quick response and also 24 hours after service. So anytime, anywhere. So we are online and we are waiting for your end of your questions, end of your inquiries, yeah, end of your ideas. Okay. Yeah, for the wall printing machines, yeah, normally we have 12 months guarantee. And if you contact us into this live show, yeah, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. Okay. And you can see the wall printing machine has a very colorful printing effect, right? I've shown you the samples before, yeah. And the printing result is waterproof, yeah, and it will not get faded for a long time. And also for our wall printing machine, it has a seamless stitching and splicing function. And with the UPS battery backup there, and you don't no worry for the machines working even we meet the power failure. Yeah, since the UPS battery, it can support the continuous working for another extra 10 to 12 hours. Okay. Okay, so at last, I would like to share the working video of this machine for each model once again. Okay, you can see this is the H series model. Yeah, H series model with the LCD touchscreen. Yeah, the wheels works through moves on the ground directly. Yeah. And also moves on the rack. Yeah, you can see this is printing head Intex software. Yeah, this is the moves on the track. Okay, so this is the PEH 30 model, and then this is the S series model. Yeah, so you can see this S-series model. It has a different structure, structure design. All of those printing machines, it has a very vivid and bright color after printing. Yeah. This is the model printing on the walls. Yeah. Yes. So another excellent model, that is S10 model. So for this model, it can work both on the wall and on the ground. Yeah, it's two functions in one machine. It's really very economical. Yeah, very functional machine. Yeah, right now you can see this model works on the ground, and then when it stands up on the triangle rack, it's exactly the same with the PS80 and S70 model. It can print on the walls. Okay. It has a very bright color. Just now I'll show you the samples, right? You can see the eyes, and I like the eyes very much. Just like a real one. The real deer look at you directly, straightly. Okay, so this is the 3 models in fact. Okay, these 3 models. Yeah, all of our printing machines, you can see it has a very fast printing speed, and also the very good high resolution. The highest resolution can reach to 9600 dpi. Yeah, it's really very good, a very high resolution. And also we can see besides the CE Rose certificate, yeah, and also we have many other certificates to prove that our machines really have a very good quality. So Perfilis is really your reliable partner, yeah, your reliable supplier. Okay. So till now, our live show almost drawing to the end. So my dear friend, if you still have some questions and if you still have anything you want to share with me, please catch the chance, okay? Yeah, I would like to answer some of your questions. Yeah, so if you don't have any more questions right now, you can also later, if you later you can send us a message and send us information anytime, okay? And also you can visit our website to see more information and more working video about the machines. Okay. So thanks very much, my dear friend. Thanks very much for your time and thanks very much for watching. And I hope you can enjoy our live show and you can get some